Did you know that these tiny seeds were once a secret weapon of ancient warriors? What if I told you that adding just a few spoonfuls of these miraculous little seeds to your diet could supercharge your energy, help you shed those extra pounds, and even keep your heart in tip-top shape? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're going to reveal the 5 shocking benefits of eating chia seeds daily, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. Stay tuned to discover how you can transform your health with these powerful seeds and learn some practical tips to incorporate them into your daily routine. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible powers of chia seeds. Let's kick things off by talking about how chia seeds are a nutrient-dense superfood. These tiny seeds, native to Central America, have been widely recognized as a superfood due to their incredible nutritional profile. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 9 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, 8 grams of healthy fats, and a generous dose of essential minerals like 14% of the daily value of calcium, 23% of the daily value of magnesium, and 20% of the daily value of phosphorus. And the best part, all this goodness comes with just 138 calories and 1 single gram of digestible carbohydrates. Now you might be wondering, what makes chia seeds so special? Well, numerous scientific studies support the various health claims associated with chia seeds. For example, a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from free radicals and oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Another study published in the Harvard School of Public Health showed that chia seeds provide a high-quality plant-based and complete protein source with 9 essential amino acids, making them an excellent option for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to diversify their protein intake. So how can you start incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine and take advantage of their superfood status? Sprinkle chia seeds on top of yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie bowls for a nutrient boost and added texture. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet, you're not only adding variety to your meals, but also ensuring that you're getting a wide range of essential nutrients that contribute to better overall health. So go ahead, give these tiny superfood seeds a try, and see the difference they can make. Feeling sluggish and tired all the time? Chia seeds to the rescue. These little warriors were consumed by ancient Aztec and Mayan warriors for their energy-boosting properties. In fact, the word chia actually translates to strength in the Mayan language. Chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that help to maintain sustained energy levels throughout the day, making them the perfect addition to your morning smoothie or breakfast bowl. One of the reasons chia seeds are so effective at providing a natural energy boost is their balanced ratio of macronutrients. They contain a combination of slow-digesting carbohydrates, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins that help keep your blood sugar levels stable and provide a steady supply of energy. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that chia seeds can significantly enhance exercise performance, similar to sports drinks. The participants in the study consumed a mix of chia seeds and Gatorade and experienced prolonged endurance and increased overall performance compared to those who consumed Gatorade alone. So how can you start incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine to experience their energy-boosting benefits? Create chia seed energy bites by combining chia seeds with nut butter, rolled oats, and other nutritious ingredients. These make for a perfect pre-workout snack or midday pick-me-up. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet, you're taking advantage of their natural energy-boosting properties that can help you stay active and focused all day long. So give these tiny powerhouses a try and see the difference they can make in your energy levels. Now, who doesn't love a natural weight loss booster? Thanks to their high fiber and protein content, chia seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, which means less snacking and fewer calories consumed throughout the day. Plus, when chia seeds absorb liquid, they expand and form a gel-like substance that can help slow down the absorption of food in your stomach, keeping you satisfied and reducing cravings. A study published by Nutrition Research and Practice showed that consumption of 7 grams or 14 grams of chia seed with plain yogurt as a mid-morning snack induced an increased senses of fullness. This shows that chia seeds can play a crucial role in helping you manage your appetite and ultimately contribute to weight loss. So, how can you start incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine to take advantage of their weight loss benefits? Here are some practical tips. Make a chia seed pudding with low-calorie milk or plant-based milk alternatives and your favorite fruits for a delicious, low-calorie snack or dessert that will keep you satisfied. Use chia seeds as a thickening agent in soups, stews, or sauces to add extra fiber and protein without significantly increasing the calorie content. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet, you're not only adding variety and texture to your meals, but also taking advantage of their natural appetite-suppressing properties that can support your weight loss goals. So go ahead, give these tiny seeds a try and see the difference they can make in your weight loss journey. Let's talk about gut health, friends. Chia seeds are an excellent source of soluble and insoluble fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. The soluble fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water, helping to keep you regular and prevent constipation. On the other hand, insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and keeps things moving smoothly through your digestive system. Research has shown that a diet high in fiber can help promote a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that the consumption of chia seeds may lead to an increase in beneficial gut bacteria, which can improve digestion, enhance immune function, and reduce inflammation. Another study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that chia seeds can help improve bowel function in individuals with constipation, thanks to their high fiber content. So, how can you start incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine to support gut health and digestion? Incorporate chia seeds into your baking recipes, such as bread, muffins, or cookies, to boost their fiber content and support healthy digestion. By adding chia seeds to your daily diet, you're not only supporting gut health and digestion, but also improving overall well-being. So give these tiny seeds a try and see the difference they can make in your gut health and digestive function. Moving on to the next reason to consume chia seeds. Chia seeds are fantastic for your heart. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation, regulating cholesterol levels, and preventing blood clots. Additionally, chia seeds' high fiber and protein content can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Several scientific studies support the heart health claims associated with chia seeds. For example, a study published in the journal Nutrients found that participants who consumed chia seeds regularly experienced significant reductions in total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, all of which are known risk factors for heart disease. Another study published by Plant Foods for Human Nutrition found that chia flour could help reduce blood pressure levels in individuals with hypertension, further supporting their heart protective properties. So how can you start incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine to promote heart health? Sprinkle chia seeds on top of your salads, roasted vegetables, or grain bowls to add texture and heart-healthy nutrients. And there you have it, the 5 shocking benefits of eating chia seeds daily. Now it's your turn to harness the power of these tiny wonders and start reaping the rewards. Don't forget to give these practical tips a try and let us know how chia seeds have transformed your life in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your personal experiences and favorite ways to incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine. Do you have any creative ways that you include chia seeds into your nutrition? Please comment below to share with others, because we're all in this together to promote better health and vitality. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. It's time to spread the chia seed love. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips, tricks, and life-changing advice. Also, don't forget to check out the other health-related videos on our channel to help you live a healthier life. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the world of superfoods. See you in the next video.